4 exercises to strengthen the embouchure in the oboe. Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome one more day to the YouTube channel. I'm Nuria Cabezas, and today I bring you a video in which we will learn 4 exercises to strengthen our embouchure in the oboe. While we play the exercise with the reed alone, we have to keep in mind that the height of the notes is relative and it will depend in the reed we are using at this moment. We have to play stable emissions without tremblings and without sudden changes in the height of the sound. Exercise number 1. Long notes with tuner and metronome. Hold notes at 60 beats per minute. Exercise number 2. Afterwards, we will play the same exercise as semitone descending from the initial note. We will relax the embouchure and increase the diaphragmatic pressure to achieve the desired effect. Exercise number 3. We will perform the same previous exercise, but one semitone ascending from the initial note. The pressure increase will be done by increasing the diaphragmatic pressure and the air column velocity, never making more pressure with our lips on the reed. Exercise number 4. Simulation of the sound of an ambulance. The 3 previous exercises together, but at a higher speed. Central note, ascending half tone, central note, and descending half tone. That was all for today. I hope you like it. You can find more videos and tutorials in my YouTube channel and in the website MusicBayside.com, where you can find all the digital content in Spanish and English, and also you could subscribe to the newsletter to be aware of all the news. And don't forget to visit my social networks like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. In the online educational platform of the website, you can find information about how to get personalized individual lessons. And also you can contact me by email at mail@musicbayside.com. If you like the content I'm creating in Music Bayside and you want to support my project, you can make a monthly donation starting at $1 in my Patreon page, Patreon, Music Bayside Oboe, where you could find all the information. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video. Bye!